Hello class, today we'll be discussing the various aspects of the ocean floor. So this video will be showing a 3D model that I created. I'm not very crafty as you can see, but nonetheless all of the major features are shown. Now this diorama is made out of styrofoam right here, and the features are made out of kinetic sand, which is the brown and the white. I would like to begin this video by explaining each ocean floor feature. So let's start with the continental shelf that is up here. Okay, so this occurs on both sides of the ocean, and it can span from the shore to over 1,000 kilometers out. Next, we can see the continental slope. Now on my diagram, it looks steep, but it typically is marked by a steady incline that leads deeper into the ocean. But speaking of deep, we can talk about the trench, which is right here. This is the deepest part of the ocean and goes so far down that humans haven't even explored, and it's also some of the deepest areas on Earth. Now, on the other hand, we have the mid-ocean ridge, which is the white kinetic sand right here. Now, I could only fit 2 on my diagram, but typically this is characterized by many peaks that fall alongside a valley, which is in the middle. Now, next we have the abyssal plain. This is the flattest part of the ocean floor, but it also leads into a mountain range that is shown right here. So there's 2 different mountains. When a mountain does not reach the surface, it is known as a seamount. So that is this one right here. But next we have a mountain that does break the surface, which is the volcanic island, and it gets that name because it's actually created from when volcanoes erupt and the lava hardens to create such a tall mountain. So now that we have discussed all of the features, the 3 major regions of the ocean floor are the continental margins, the ocean basin floor, and the mid-ocean ridge. Now this side over here is the active margin, and that is because it's marked by mountains and volcanoes. And similarly, we can see that this is the passive side over here, and that is because it doesn't have these features. Finally, many of the ocean floor features shown are a result of plate tectonics. For instance, when plates collide, they cause volcanoes as well as deep ocean trenches. However, when they move away, mid-ocean ridges and mountains are created. Lastly, when plates slide past each other, a fault is created or continental boundaries.